this is the elevator at Galerías Mall in Monterrey, Mexico. It's an Otis Lexan. Here should be up the mall. Okay. One slit. Oh, here it is. Wow. No, there's no door close button. Like this elevator. Here are the fixtures. Up here's your indicator. And here we are. There's that lady right there. Okay, it takes so far with the level. Okay. Come on. There we go. We're gonna get off at 1. Door close does not work this time. I already did a cabby, but I'm gonna do it again. Like that mall. And there's a security guard. Again, here are the Lexan fixtures. PA right there. Wow, people should not use that button. Wow, that's it.
Alright, this is the elevator here at the Galerías Mall in Monterrey, Mexico. Now, this elevator was first an Otis Lexan. I'm sure you remember this one from 2021. And in 2021, this was already replaced with this Otis Gen2 from 2017. So yeah, this is going to be an abundant, much better take. So we have the Otis Gen2 from 2017, and then it's still glass. We get this new exterior, and here it is. And I do remember back in 2015, this was an Otis Lexan. And I think around 2015 to 2016, it was already out. So yeah, and then around 2015, 2016, it got replaced with the with this. So we're gonna go down to the PB, and it's an Otis Gen2 from 2015. Here we're at the lower level. There's security. I don't want to get them on picture. So since the sube, ¿verdad? Gracias, hermano. No, qué mal. Ahí se canceló. Ahí mero. Ahí está. ¿Qué te haces? Excelente día, ¿eh? Gracias, igualmente, hermano. Cuídate. Alright. So yeah, alright, down the... Well, it's taking a while to respond. It just lags a lot, so we're gonna look at the numbers now. So yeah, 10 years later, we are still doing a retake of this. Here at PB. And unfortunately, we're not gonna get a cab view. But okay. Unfortunately, guys, we're not able to get a cab view. So, all right. Well, anyways, let's watch it. There it goes. Let's watch it go. All right. And my apologies that I'm unable to get the cab view. And there's your counterweight. So, all right. Well, anyways, there you all have it, and that's it.